Friends, welcome back. Today we are going to dive into one of the most powerful chapters from Tough Times Never Last But Tough People Do by Robert Schuller. This chapter is about prayer, and not just prayer as a religious ritual, but prayer as the invisible force that pulls everything in life together successfully. I want you to imagine your life right now. Think of your problems, your struggles, maybe even your dreams that feel too far away. Now imagine holding all those pieces in your hand, broken, scattered, heavy. What could possibly pull all of this together and make sense out of it? According to Schuller, that power is prayer. And today I am going to share with you stories, lessons, and truths that can shift the way you see your challenges. Robert Schuller tells his story about his own son Bob. After the great Crystal Cathedral was built, Bob felt a deep calling to start his own ministry. He had a dream in his heart, a dream to build a church on a beautiful ranch. But here is the twist: when Bob went after it, the ranch was already promised to another group. His dream seemed crushed before it was even begun. Can you relate to that? You feel something in your heart, you believe it's meant for you, but the doors slam shut. That's what Bob faced. He searched for months, looking for land, trying to find a place to start. Nothing worked. Disappointment after disappointment. Yet here is where prayer come in. Bob kept praying, kept believing, kept waiting. And guess what? The deal with the other group fell through. Doors that had been locked swung open. The ranch was eventually his, and it went on to become a place of transformation for thousands of people. What's the lesson? Sometimes prayer does not change your situation immediately, but it prepares the way for miracles you cannot yet see. Prayers keep you moving from one stage to the next without losing hope. Now let's talk about something Schuller calls brownouts. A brownout is when the electricity flickers and dims, but it does not go out completely. Life has brownouts too. You feel drained, tired, your energy drops, you start doubting yourself, but this is not the end. The danger is when we confuse a brown net with a burnout. A burnout means the light is gone forever, but a brownout is only temporary. Through prayer, you can recharge, restore, and return stronger. Prayer fuels every stage. One of my favorite lessons from this chapter: never make big decisions in low moments. When the storm clouds are over your head, when you are exhausted and discouraged, that is not the time to quit, to resign, or to give up on your dream. Why? Because storms always pass, winters always end, spring always comes. Prayer gives you the patience to wait until your emotions settle and your strength returns. Then and only then should you decide. Prayer is like an umbilical cord that connects you to God. Just as a baby is nourished in the womb, receiving life and strength it cannot see, you too are nourished by God through prayers. Even when nothing seems to be happening on the outside, life is flowing on the inside. So keep praying. Even when the doors close, keep praying. Even when people doubt you, keep praying. Even when nothing changes, keep praying. Because in time, prayer will pull everything together successfully. So friends, let me ask you, what dream in your life feels stuck right now? What problems feel too heavy? Maybe you are in that testing or arresting phase. Do not give up. Pray, work, wait, believe. Remember, tough times never last, but tough people, people who hold on to faith, hope, and prayer, always do. Thank you for staying with me today. If this touched your heart, share it with someone who needs encouragement, and never forget, prayer is your greatest power. See you in the next video. Stay strong, stay inspired.